installing the 60605X nail gun hanger to the NV45AB2 coil nailer. The first thing you'll need to do is pick yourself up an M5 by 0.8 by 25 bolt, or if you order from the website, we'll give you the proper hardware. Next, you'll remove the bolt holding the canister to the body, which we have already done. Make sure the original nut stays in the canister. And save the original flat washer. Take your flat washer, put on your new bolt, your bolt through the hanger, through the body, and thread it into the nut in the canister. You just want to tighten that down. Tighten her down nice and tight. Check it daily to make sure it hasn't loosened up on you. And there you have your new hanger on your roofing coil nail.